In this video, we will learn to download, install, and configure Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a unified analytics engine for large-scale data processing. First, we need to open a browser and go to Apache Spark site. Here we can search for Apache Spark. And we need to go to this site, spark.apache.org. Just click over here. And here, click on download. And then download Spark link. Click over here. And from here, you can copy the mirror link. Just right click on it and copy link address. And I'm going to close this browser and go back to our terminal. Here we are going to use wget command to download this file and just paste the link of that file and just hit enter. Now we have this file downloaded and saved as this name. We need to decompress this file by using tar command. Tar xvf and the name of file. And just hit enter. Now we can switch to its folder. This one over here. I'm going to use cd command and then this folder name. Copy from here and paste it. Now we can start the Spark master and worker nodes. First, I'm going to clear the screen and list the content of current directory. Over here inside sbin, we need to type .sbin and then start-all.sh and just hit enter. And you may need to type your password. It requires Java, so you can see error over here, Java home is not set. So we are going to download JDK by using command sudo apt get install default then JDK. You need to only install this if it gives you this error or you don't have JDK installed on your system. Then you need to enter a password. And just enter Y to continue. Now we have our JDK also downloaded. We can start again. Just run this command again in sbin directory start all.sh script. I already run that one and I need to open in Google browser. You can use any browser. Just open the address localhost:8080. So we can open the URL localhost 8080 and just hit enter. And this is the Spark page you will see. So in this video we learn how to download, install and configure Apache Spark, and also downloaded JDK on Ubuntu Linux. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us and thank you for watching.